பெயர் சுப்புராவதி. நான் 8ஆம் வகுப்பு பிரிவு படிக்கிறேன். இன்றைக்கு எனது தலைப்பு தமிழ் வளர்த்த சான்றோர்கள். தமிழ் வளர்த்த சான்றோர்களில் ஒருவர் சுந்தரர். இவர் தேவாரம் பாடிய இருவருள் ஒருவர். திருஞான சம்பந்தர், திருநாவுக்கரசர் ஆகிய இருவர் பாடிய பாடலின் தொகுப்பே தேவாரம் ஆகும். இந்நூலை தொகுத்தவர் நம்பியாண்டார் நம்பியாவார். சுந்தரர் ஆகிய இவர் நம்பியாரூர் தம்பிரான் தோழர் என்னும் சிறப்பு பெயர்.
Good afternoon to all. My name is P. Madheswaran. I am studying 8th standard C section. I am talk about the favorite national leader Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 2nd October 1862. He was called a father of India. He was one of the freedom fighter of India. His father name is Baba Gandhi, and Good afternoon to everyone. I am Sabinesi and studying 8th standard C section. Today I am going to speak about Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, my favorite national leader. One of the greatest leaders and social reformer of India. He was born on 14th April 1891 and was popularly known as Baba Ambedkar. He was a great lawyer, economist and political leader. He fought against caste discrimination and worked for equality and social justice. He believed that education is the key to success and encouraged people to study. Good afternoon to all. My name is Ramhajira. I am studying in 8th standard C section. Today I am talk about my favorite national leader, Begum Hazrat Maul, one of the most important women leaders during the First War of Independence. Begum Hazrat Maul, the Queen of Arba. She dominated empire bravely, sought out the course of the struggle, even as the British force began the high control of most of Good afternoon everyone. I am P. Vijayaprabha from 8th C. Today I am going to ask some math puzzles. Divide this into the equal parts. I am P. Univansari from 8th C. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am James Ananthan from 8th C. Today I am talk about Sir C.V. Raman, my favorite scientist. C.V. Raman was a great Indian scientist. He was born on November 7, 1888 in Tamil Nadu. He loved science and studied physics in college.
Hello everyone, I am Devantika from 8th C. Today I am going to talk about my favorite scientist, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955, is one of the history's most famous scientists, and his name is synonymous with genius. Born in Germany, Einstein worked as a patent clerk
before revolution our understanding of the universe. In 1905, during what is known as the miracle year, he published 4 groundbreaking research papers. His most famous equation E is equal to mc